Question: ever wondered how to connect your Nigerian bank to Kraken, the popular cryptocurrency exchange? It's a common question, and we're here to guide you through the process step by step. Context: before we dive in, let's understand why linking your bank to Kraken is crucial. It's the gateway to buying and selling cryptocurrencies using your local fiat currency. It's like connecting your wallet to your bank account, but in the digital world. Step-by-step guide. Create a Kraken account. If you haven't already, start by creating a Kraken account. It's a straightforward process that requires basic information like your email and a strong password. Verify your identity. Kraken prioritizes security. You'll need to verify your identity by providing documents like your ID card or passport. This process ensures the safety of your funds. Choose a funding method. Kraken offers various funding methods. For linking your bank, you'll typically choose bank transfer or a similar option. Add your bank details, enter your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Ensure accuracy to avoid delays or issues. Complete the transfer. Kraken will provide you with instructions on how to initiate the transfer from your bank. Follow these steps carefully. Confirm the deposit. Once you've initiated the transfer, Kraken will confirm it. This may take some time, depending on your bank's processing speed. Start trading. Once the deposit is confirmed, you're ready to start trading cryptocurrencies on Kraken. You can buy, sell, and even exchange different cryptocurrencies. Common challenges and solutions. Transfer delays. Sometimes, bank transfers can take longer than expected. Be patient and check Kraken's status for updates. Bank restrictions. Some banks may have restrictions on cryptocurrency transactions. Research your bank's policies to avoid any surprises. Security concerns. Always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Additional tips. Consider alternative methods. If you encounter difficulties with bank transfers, explore other funding methods like credit cards or cryptocurrency wallets. Stay informed. Keep up to date with Kraken's policies and any changes in the cryptocurrency market. Start small. If you're new to cryptocurrencies, start with a small investment to familiarize yourself with the platform. Conclusion. Linking your bank to Kraken is a crucial step in your cryptocurrency journey. By following these guidelines, you can securely and efficiently connect your local currency to the world of digital assets. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.